Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a speed test on your different devices or different drives. I'm going to show you this method on your SSD hard drive, on a USB and on a SD card. This is a simple feature to use, no software needed. As you can see, the first thing I'm going to be testing is the SD card, which is located in drive F. So you're going to go to your start panel, you're going to type in command prompt, you're going to right click on command prompt. Please don't click on it guys, make sure you right click and click on run as administrator. If you just click on command prompt, it will not work. You're then going to type in winsat, leave a space, disk dash drive, and you're going to put in your relevant drive that you want to test the speed of. Go back and check if you're not sure. So that drive is F, which is my SD card, F drive, capital F, and enter, and allow the command prompt to now test the speed, your write rate as well as your read rate on your SD card. It may take a while depending on the amount of content you have on your devices, so please be patient with the process. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. We're still allowing this to load. As I've said, it may take a while, so please allow it to load. As you can see on the left of the screen guys, I have various softwares to do this test on, but the command prompt testing method works best. This is a Windows 11 edition that I'm doing this test method on. So command prompt is still reading my SD card, and now the results are ready. So guys, as you can see, the write rate is 13.40 megabytes per second, while my read rate is 20.97 megabytes per second. Now when it comes to your SD card, anything that is over 10 megabytes will definitely support HD quality videos as well as pictures. So if your card reads at more than 10 megabytes per second, you know that definitely it is a good quality card as well. If it reads more than 30 megabytes per second, that can handle your 4K videos and pictures. So the next test I'm going to be doing is on my hard drive guys, my SSD, and I've typed in my formula winsat disk dash drive. My hard drive is located in drive C, so I've typed in capital C, and as you can see the results are ready. This read far more quicker than the SD card. The write rate on my SSD hard drive is 476.71 megabytes per second, while the read rate is 416.27 megabytes per second. So there you saw that we did the speed test on the SD card as well as the SSD hard drive. Now I'm going to also be doing a test on my flash USB drive, and this drive is located in drive E. So we're going to put in our formula, which is winsat, leave a space, disk dash drive. And if you want to ensure what drive it is in again, it's in drive E. So I'm going to put in my capital E and I'm going to click enter. Now this USB that I'm using to do this test is a bit old, guys, so it will take a few moments extra. So we're going to allow this process to happen in the background. Be sure not to exit this command prompt while it's open or rush this process. All of the results that you require will be listed on this command prompt as a log. So you can take screenshots of this to keep on hand. This will also help you guys to identify whether an SD card or your hard drive or SSD is in good working condition. If the read rate and the write rate is correct, it will also help you to identify why your drives are slower and it may need repairing or formatting. So this is a very essential tool which does not require any software. You just open your command prompt that's built into your Windows platform and you can do this test. I will put the formula winsat disk drive in the description, so feel free to review that when you're doing this test method on your own on your designated devices, and remember to put in your drive letters pertaining to your devices. So as I've said, this will take a little bit longer because my USB flash drive is a bit old, but nevertheless this is going to work and it is going to give us a reading. Also depends on the content that you have on your devices, guys. Alright guys, the results are ready from my USB flash drive. As you can see, the write rate is 12.03 megabytes per second, which is low compared to my SD card or my hard drive, and the read rate is 33.11 megabytes per second.